neck pain and neck tightness, it could be due to compression through your neck. And this happens every day. So when you wake up in the morning, you're immediately subjected to gravity. So gravity is just gonna push down and compress your spine. And what that can do is it can stiffen up the joints through here. It can lead to compression through the nerve root, which can also lead to nerve-related symptoms, which is like the pins and needles down the arm, headaches, dizziness, sometimes nausea in some people, and of course the stiff neck that comes with just being alive and moving. So this is an easy technique of how to decompress your own neck. It's a self-traction. So all you're gonna need is your fist. You're gonna put a fist underneath your chin, just resting on the top of your chest here, just acting as a little bit of a wedge. And from here, you're gonna use your other hand and just gently pulling forward. So what's happening is as you're blocking your chin here and pulling, it's decompressing and extending your neck through the back. So if we do it with the model, you're placing your fist right here, and then as you pull up, it won't compress the front because you're wedging it here. It will actually pull and decompress your neck upwards. So that is a great one if you do find you get relief with cervical traction, which we do here in the clinic. Anytime people have the pins and needles, the numbness, any kind of weakness in their hands, this would also work for you. But it's also good just to alleviate some sort of headache you might be getting throughout the day. So again, fist under here, giving a gentle pull down. And you want to hold this one for about 20-ish seconds, doing about 5 reps. So that's about 100 seconds of total volume. The main thing you should be feeling is a little bit of stretching through the back of the neck. You shouldn't feel any cranking. The symptoms shouldn't aggravate. So if the symptoms do aggravate, it might not be the right technique for you. But with 90% of the patients who come in, this is an exercise I prescribe to all of them, and it gives immediate relief and it loosens up the neck a little bit. So give that a go. Hopefully it helps you out, and we'll see you soon.